We're busybody kids, hey! Get ready for some learning, laughing, and games. At Busybody Kids, we always love to play.
Hi! We are in front of the Christmas tree. Now we are next to the Christmas tree. Boo! Now we are behind the Christmas tree. And now we are under the Christmas tree. Do you know what else goes under the Christmas tree? A present! Wow!
It's open.
What does this present say?
It's open.
It says?
It says
It says Christmas!
Christmas. Let's
Yeah.
open the Christmas.
Okay, let's see what's inside.
Okay.
No.
Let's do this.
Okay. What is the first letter of Christmas? Yes, it's the letter C. What does the letter C sound like? A K. Let's see if we can find something in our present that starts with the K sound. Wow, it's a candle. A candle starts with the letter C.
Hey.
What is the second letter of the word Christmas? Yes, it's the letter H. What sound does the letter H make? It makes a H sound. Let's see if we can find something in our present that starts with a H sound. A house! Wow, a house starts with a H. And the third letter is an R. That makes a R sound. Let's see what we can find. A reindeer! Yeah! The next letter is an I. Let's see if we can find something that begins with an I. Ice! Ice is cold. Wow. What is the fifth letter? Yes, it's an S, and the S makes a S sound. Let's see if we can find something that starts with the S sound. It's Santa! Santa begins with the letter S. What is the sixth letter of Christmas? It's the letter T. T makes a T sound. Let's see if we can find something that starts with a T sound. A tree! Seventh letter is a M. M makes a sound. Let's see if we can find something with an M in the present. What's that?
Hello.
It's a mistletoe! Mwah! What is our next letter? Which letter comes after the letter M? Yes, it's the letter A. A makes a sound. Can we see if we can find something that begins with the sound? Alright, let's go. It's an apple! And what is our last letter? Can you say our last letter? It's a S. And do you remember what sound an S made? Yes, a S sound. And what is that? Oh no, it's snow! Snow begins with a S sound. Snow! Wow, that was fun. I'm feeling hungry now. Should we go decorate some Christmas cookies? Come on, let's go! Look at all these cookies we decorated. Can you help me count how many cookies there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great counting. So if I gave you 2 cookies, and then I gave you another 2 cookies, how many cookies would you have? Yes, 4 cookies. If I gave you 3 cookies, but then I ate one of your cookies, how many cookies would you have? Yes, 2. If you had 3 cookies and your friend had 2 cookies and your mom had another 2 cookies, how many cookies would you have altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If somebody came and ate 2 of these cookies, how many cookies are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you got 1 cookie and I have 1 cookie, how many cookies do we have together? Yes, we have 2 cookies. So if you have 2 cookies and I have 8 cookies, how many cookies do we have together? Yes, 10 cookies. And if you had 8 cookies and I had 2 cookies, how many cookies would we have? Yes, we'd still have 10 cookies. Good job! If you had 4 cookies and you decided to give 2 cookies to Santa, how many cookies would you have left? Yes, 2 cookies. If you had 4 cookies and I gave you another cookie, how many cookies would you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job! If you had 6 cookies and I ate 2 cookies, how many cookies do you have left? Yes, you have 4 cookies left. If you left 5 cookies for Santa and Santa only ate 2 of the cookies, how many cookies would you have left? Yes, 3 cookies.